Hello, welcome to BAMZ Creators. Today we will learn ABC through pictorial memory. Pictures are very useful for students for the recognition of letters and the things that can be started from those letters. The pictures must be related to the environment so that students would be able to understand and remember the name of the pictures by relating to their previous knowledge. The more easy pictures would be, the easier to the students it would be to remember the names of pictures through their letters. Students can understand and recognize the sounds of the letter through the pictorial recognition. Like if you are showing any picture to the students, ask them to emphasize on their first sound, and this will help them for the future reading and speaking. The pictures also improves the vocabulary of students and prepares them to speak and generates the understanding of new words. This is my technique to make students learn the new sounds and letters through the pictorial memory. And believe me, the results are incredible. You can also share your techniques with me in the comment box. This activity is basically for those students who are facing hurdles in remembering the pictures related with their letters and sounds. You can also perform this activity for the introduction of new letter to the students, and it will help you like a magic. Thank you for watching, and for more informative and useful videos you can also visit my channel page BAMZ Creators. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.